Every skill begins somewhere, even if it's small. One small step can lead you there. You don't need it all. Bit by bit, we build it right. Keep improving every time. Step by step, we shape the way, getting closer every day. Not perfect, not all at once. Every try is progress done. Step by step, we make it grow more than you might even know. That's how big skills come to be, through shaping patiently. First it's close, then closer still. Every try improves the skill. We reward what's getting near. That's how progress appears.